The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, running boards, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, aluminum wheels, automatic climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.